Hello guys, welcome to episode 2 on how to make rainbow friends. I'm Yellow Banana and welcome to Banana Bros. So, you might notice something different about mine. I just changed what my thing looked like. So, it still works the exact same, nothing new. But, if you like bananas, then you might want to stick around or subscribe or like. But anyways, let's get on to the action. So, we're gonna go back to our comb script, which for some reason I named comb. Like, who does that? Like me, but you know. So after the item destroyed, you're gonna follow along. But before we do that, you're gonna have to add some stuff. Right here, you're gonna have local blocks equal 0. Have space between there. Then after the if item then, you're gonna have blocks equals to blocks plus 1. Then. Now we officially have made a variable. So let's now continue. So, depending on what your thing is called, this is going to be a little bit different. But we're going to go back here, and I'm just going to duplicate. I'm going to go here, and then duplicate this. Duplicate, put into workspace, delete, cut. I'm going to set it like right here. Depending on what it's called is how it's going to look. So mine looks like this. I'm going to make 4 since I have 4 blocks. But you just have to add on and on once after that. So you're going to have each one a specific name for each one. For me, they're going to be blocks. So we're going to name this one block 1. This one block 2. This one block 3. This one block 4. You're also going to set transparency to 1 for these blocks. Block 1 transparency is going to equal to 1. Block 2's transparency is going to equal to 1. I would usually have a name and then have like a number after that, and you'll see why, because real quick, real quick. So after that, we're gonna have a script. So it's gonna be if blocks equals 1, then workspace dot block 1. Now this is supposed to be the name of the part that you want to be shown. So if you name it what you want, or this won't work. But anyways, dot transparency equals 0. And have a else if blocks equal to 2, then workspace.block2 transparency equals 0. And then you would, if you're like me, you'll see else if block 3, else if block 4, else if block 5, else if. But you basically see the pattern. It's just gonna be like that over and over again. So I just realized something. It's not right. On if it didn't work, I'm sorry. That was wrong. So tab, 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 tab. Okay. Then we're gonna have end right there. It's supposed to be like that, but instead, since we messed up, yeah. So, if I believe so, it should be working. See, when blocked, we collect all these other ones, and it lines up. So, if you wanted to make more than that 4, then you're gonna have to keep on going on the list. So, well, 5 bananas. And if you like bananas, make sure to like and subscribe. Peace.